The Lord comes to rule the earth with justice. The Lord comes to rule the earth with justice. Sing psalms to the Lord with the harp and the sound of song, with trumpets and the sound of the horn. Raise a shout before the King, the Lord. The Lord comes to rule the earth with justice. Let the sea and all within it thunder, the world and those who dwell in it. Let the rivers clap their hands, and the hills ring out their joy. The Lord comes to rule the earth with justice. At the presence of the Lord, for he comes to judge the earth. He will judge the world with justice, and the peoples with faithfulness. The Lord comes to rule the earth with justice. Descendit, December.